Homemakers, I'm going to walk you through how to set up local pickup as a shipping option. So when you're in your dashboard, you can go across to the settings tab and then of course down to shipping. And then what you'll see is your list of shipping options, what you have enabled and disabled. So down the bottom of that section there, you've got local pickup. So if you are wanting to offer local pickup, of course, you're not obliged to. For some people, it's obviously not an option where you're located, maybe for privacy and security. So it's not for everybody. But if you are wanting to offer local pickup, how you basically set it up is exactly like another shipping option. So you do need to enable it. So across the section of local pickup, select the three dots and click enable. Now that's enabled it, but then you still need to go through and set up the range and the shipping option as per all of the other shipping options that you have. So click on local pickup and then it will take you through to this screen because then you just need to follow the two different steps to set up your range and then set up the country with your state postage. So click here to add ranges. Okay, so you want to add a new range. And of course, this is just price. So we're going to go, for this example, $1 to $9.99 because that's based on the order value. Select save. Okay, so now your shipping range is entered. So you just need to add the actual shipping details. So click on view shipping. Now it will take you back to here because what you then need to do is step number 2, which is add your country and then set up the states. So we want to obviously select Australia. And what you can obviously do here, because local pickup is going to be local to you, it means you don't have to enable all of the states. So what you can do here is based on wherever you live, you can only have that one state enabled for pickup. So you can just turn all of the rest of them off and just have the one state that's applicable to you. I'm having $0 for local pickup. So what that's setting up there is local pickup, New South Wales only, and it's going to be $0. So then I'm going to save that. Okay, so now local pickup is enabled, and because what we did was, if I go back in there to view, what you'll see there is that all of the states except for New South Wales are disabled. So when the customers in the shipping section and local pickup will only be available for New South Wales, it just narrows that. It just narrows that range down. You're better off just to remove the others, so just disable those. Now, when you've got your products, where to have local pickup as an option, so if we go and edit one of the products I have in the test, so just scroll down to your shipping details section. So this is where you're going to be selecting whichever shipping options are available or applicable to that particular product. So you can see I've got local pickup ticked, free shipping is ticked. So as well as having local pickup selected here in the shipping details, if you scroll down in this bottom section here where you refine your product listing, if you would like to offer pickup for this product, please enter your suburb name and postcode. So that can just help, if I can spell properly. All right, and then you can just hit save.